We're going to on top of the building where you can see this. Yes, I'm okay. I'm coming. You can see the written it's Canas. And I think the view is going to be beautiful because we have only a couple hours to see the locals call Can. For us it's like Canas. So yeah, God, it's so hot. So let's go discover the Can. Are you okay? After so many steps, finally we reach here. Oh. But did you see the view? So amazing. Maybe we're gonna see some superstar. For example, Angelina Jolie or Brad Pitt or Jason Statham, my favorite actor. Wow, look at this.
I'm gonna sit for 1 minute.
Tell me, how's your trip to Canas?
I hate it. I had to walk up 800 stairs, Dana, just because of your fault. But anyways, I still love you. And I love Canes.
I love you too.
I know.
Quindi magari poi si presentava al ristorante Tomattetto.
Jose, how do you feel?
Drunk.
Drunk? You feel drunk?
Absolutely.
We spent amazing time in this
Vámonos.
bar. What's the name of the bar? Who the hell knows? So, we're going back to the ship.
To do the same shit every fucking day.
Sometimes, one thing is different today is that we're going to the restaurant Izumi.
We're going to a fucking dinner with sushi, whatever, blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah. Kakaria. But anyway, we're gonna enjoy our day. See you in
Of
the...
course, like queens. We are queens.
Yep. See you in the restaurant.
I think we're lost.
Are we drunk? Are we drunk?
Lost. Oh no, no, nobody's drunk. We're fine.
Well, fine. Yep.
Pode ser, né? Verdade, é cheio de coisa rosinha ali, ó. Será que a festa não é ali, ó? A festa lá, ó.
Tá parada ali?
Everybody's the gym tonight. Too much rice. Too much rice. Eric, it's like
I had half of it.
Te ho
A lot.
te ho
A lot. It was a lot.
7 euros.
You saw how much it was?
So, un salario.